Welcome to Kenbrook at Harpers Mill, the only active adult community in Harpers Mill designed exclusively for those 55 and better. Hi, I'm Robin, and I'm excited to introduce you to this master-planned community with resort-style amenities. Located in Western Chesterfield, this community has it all: one-level living and a low-maintenance lifestyle. Whether you're looking to downsize or upgrade your living space, there's something waiting for everyone here at Kenbrook at Harpers Mill. Our homes offer luxurious main-level living with high-end features and designs. From the convenience of an owner's suite on the first floor, complete with an ensuite bathroom and spacious walk-in closet, to the chef-inspired kitchen with a large island that looks onto the living room and dining area, these homes are the perfect space for entertaining. Our homes will offer 3 or more bedrooms, 2+ bathrooms, flex rooms, and 2-car garages. You'll also have plenty of space for a home office, rec room, or craft room. Do you need even more space for family or extra storage? We also offer basements. When you live at Kenbrook at Harpers Mill, you'll be able to enjoy the multi-million-dollar amenities built right here for you. From the clubhouse and pool to the dog park and over 5 miles of walking trails, there's so much to do. And neighbors will become fast friends at the pickleball courts and spacious party pavilion with fire pit that are exclusive to the Kenbrook neighborhood. Plus, there's so much to see and do close by. Endless shopping and dining, an afternoon movie, or a quick workout at the local YMCA, you'll love having so much right at your doorstep. Join the VIP list today and get exclusive offers and updates about this new community. We can't wait to meet you.